Hi dear students, welcome to you in our YouTube channel CMS Trust Education. Today I will teach you passive voice of present continuous tense. As you know that I have taught you passive voice of present indefinite tense and I have told you some basic rules about passive voice. Look here. First of all, I will give you an example of present continuous tense. He is playing the game. This is a sentence of present continuous tense and I am to change it into passive voice. Then what I am to do? First of all, I am to write the object, the game. After it, I am to use the auxiliary of the same tense, present continuous tense, is, I am, are. The game is in singular number, so I am to use is. After it, I am to use being, because it is used with the auxiliary of present continuous tense when we are to change it into passive voice. After it, third form of the verb, played by him. Him is the objective case of he. What the structure? Object plus is, am, are plus being plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. In this way, we can change affirmative sentences into passive voice. After it, we see negative sentence. What the structure of negative sentence? You are not singing a song. It is a negative sentence of present continuous tense. What is basic structure? Subject plus is, am, are plus not plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. When we are to change it into passive voice, what we are to do? We are to write first of all object. After it is, am, are. Then not. After it being. And then third form of the verb by and subject. A song is not being sung by you. Object plus is, am, are plus not plus being plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. In this way, we can change negative sentence into passive voice. After it, I will teach you how we can change interrogative sentence into passive voice. We are to use the basic formula that I have used in present indefinite tense. Look here, example of interrogative sentence. Are you writing a letter? Are you writing a letter? Interrogative type 1. We know that there are two types of interrogative sentences. A sentence that starts with auxiliary verb and a sentence that starts with question word. What is the structure of this sentence? Is, am, are plus subject plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object plus question mark. What we have to do? When we have to change it into passive voice, we have to write first of all object, a letter. Sorry, we have to write auxiliary verb according to our new subject. We have to write auxiliary verb according to our new subject. Our new subject is a letter. Okay, that is object in our active voice sentence. We are to use it as a subject, so we are to use auxiliary according to it. So here my subject was you. So we have taken the auxiliary a plural number, but now our subject is a letter. So it is singular number, so I will take the auxiliary in singular number. Is a letter being written by you. Is, am, are plus object plus being plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject plus question mark. When we have to use second type of interrogative sentence, what we have to do? Simply, for example, why are you plucking the flower? Why are you plucking the flower? Then what we have to do? We have to copy it. Why? Question word. Why? After it, auxiliary verb according to a new subject. Why is the flower being plucked by you? What is the structure in active voice? In active voice, our structure was question word plus IJMR plus subject plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object plus question mark. What is our basic structure in passive voice? Question word plus IJMR plus object plus being plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject plus question mark. In this way, we can change active voice into passive voice. If we have to change an interrogative and negative sentence, then what? We have to do the same thing. For example, are you not helping them? Are you not helping them? Look here. IJMR plus subject plus not plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object plus question mark. This is the structure in active voice. Then what we have to do in passive voice? We have to write auxiliary verb according to our new subject. Are they not being helped by you? In this way, if we have to do it, the sentence that starts with question word, then we have to add question word here. In the same way that I have done interrogative sentences. In this way, you can change active voice into passive voice of present continuous tense. After it, I will tell you in my next lecture the passive voice of present perfect tense. Thanks.